that we saw before about the 3 days of darkness, these were now in Israel 3 days of whiteness. Jerusalem was covered with snow. It's still the snowing coming down very strongly. All over Israel, like storms, winds, and so on. Now, amazingly, in the same table that we saw before about the light of Messiah, Mashiach, in the month of Tevet, we see also the words Israel soeret. Israel is stormy, right? So Israel is stormy. So amazing. We see here also why this is happening. Unfortunately, we know that it's now, especially the Orthodox people, have a big problem, decrease about mobilization, yeshiva boys, and all kinds of the creating of Shabbat. Very, very hard, difficult decrees against Orthodox, against Torah, against holiness and sanctity. So this is, who knows, maybe this is a punishment to remind them about this. So let us see now, amazingly, that in the same table you have the word Israel, stormy, storms in Israel, and then we see the mixed multitude, we see the government of Netanyahu, exactly the situation today, which is unfortunately, who knows, this maybe it come from heaven to remind us where we are now. So let us see now the table with the Israeli, as we said, Israel is in storm. So what we see in the table is the following. So we see here the following. So we see here the first thing, which is really now the topics that we speak about. So you see here, right, in these days, Chetet Yud Teves, this is the 8th and the 9th, the 10th of Teves, which is really those days in the past, the darkness, translation of the Bible into Greeks, the death of righteous people, the besieging of Jerusalem. You find here, amazing, you find here the word Israel, soeret is stormy, Israel is stormy. Again, Teda ki ani Hashem. Now what we have more that we didn't in the other table, that Memshal, the cabinet of Netanyahu, and unfortunately, as our Rebbe said before, Messiah will have government of Minut. Minut means like heresy, or says whatever you see. So, what you see, מה זה עושה פה פתאום? 596, no. The table that we are going to see now is really a table which we saw about the light of Mashiach in Tevet this month, 3 days of darkness. Now, as we know quite well that these 3 days in Israel is very stormy, snow in Jerusalem, which never was like this really, and traffic, everything stopped, and roads are closed. So no doubt this is something which really did not happen many years, and in fact it is all over Israel, winds, rain, something not usual at all. Now, we know quite well that this thing cannot be coincidence, so let us see what we have in this table additional to what we saw before. So what we saw before and what we see now is really additional interesting things. So what you see here like before, the Chet, Tet, Yud, Tevet is 3 days of Tevet, but you see here clearly Israel saw it, Israel is stormy. Now a bit Mimshal Netanyahu, clearly telling that this government of Netanyahu today, which is very much heretic against Torah, against Yeshiva Boss, and it is called Minut. Amazingly, you can hear the word Minut, which is heresy, which is one of the signs before Mashiach, and here you have Erev Rav, mixed multitude, you Erev Rav, which are exactly these people who are against Torah, and here is the Samael, this evil angel, and even Amalek Amir. So clearly showing, telling us that Din Shamayim, this really judgment of Shamayim in Tevet, as we said before, has to do in this time, and this is exactly what you see, such stormy days which really cause damage, a lot of damage,